future, my hope, all my sorrows, all my struggles, all my hopes. What will I do? I can't even register. Oh my God, if it doesn't oh my God.
In order to make a fire dirty beat like Southside, we first need to make a dark piano melody that is capable of grabbing anyone's attention. Let's add some effects on that shit. OTT, EQ, and a compressor. Let's grab a third piano for more depth. Now let's hear how all three pianos sound like playing together, just like a bunch of children in the playground.
FBI, open up!
That's sounding good, but we still need to work on a counter melody for variation. Strings always add a different dimension to any beat, so we cannot afford to not use them. Okay, now that we're done with all the instrumentation, let's work on some fire drums that will make all the other producers want to spy on you and figure out what drum sounds you use in your beats.
Shit. Got your ass.
The drums need a Fire 808 to go with them, so let's grab an 808. that can turn any simp into a Giga Chad. Now let's hear the drums and 808 playing together. Oh yes baby, that is what I like. Now let's work on one final bass for variation, so that all the females don't get bored.